Let's talk about the food from the plants. Dear students, plants they produce their own food. Plants are a source of wide variety of nutrients which are required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Hence, we obtain our food from plants directly or indirectly. And plants are called autotrophs because they prepare their food themselves with the process of photosynthesis. In this process, they prepare their own food in the form of glucose and they store the food, extra food, in the form of starch in different parts. Humans consume almost all parts of plant such as leaves, stem, root, fruits and seeds, and these parts of plants which we consume they are known as the edible parts. Basically the plants they have six main parts in which they store their food, and they are flower, leaves, fruit, seeds, stem and the roots. These are the six main parts in which the plants they store food, and these are eaten by the human beings and they are consumed. That is why we call them the edible part. If we talk about the roots, so we eat plant roots in the form of carrot, turnip, radish and beetroot. In these plants, the roots are called the edible part of the plant. Edible means eatable, which can be eaten. So these are the plants in which root is the edible part of the plant and is consumed. Next we come to the stem. We eat the stem of some plants such as sugarcane, sweet potato. We also eat underground stem in the form of ginger. So we have either above ground or underground stems that we eat. Stem is the edible part in these plants and we consume the stems of these plants. Next part is the leaves. Many green leaves are the sources of calcium. Leaves of plants like spinach, lettuce, cabbage, coriander, mint, they are used as leafy vegetables and they are rich in vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy. We eat different types of leaves which we consider the edible part of those plants. Then come the flowers. Some plants they have flowers which are the edible parts which is eaten or consumed by us. Flowers of certain plants like cauliflower, banana, pumpkin flower and broccoli they are used as vegetables in different parts of our country and they are the edible parts of their plants. Next come the fruits. We eat edible fruits from many plants. Fruits are rich in minerals as well as in the vitamins. For example, mango, guava, orange, apple, pear, grapes, banana. All these are the fruits of the plants which are consumed by us. So we call them the edible part. Next come the seeds. Seeds which are edible can be used as grains, pulses and oil seeds. Oil seeds they include the groundnut, sesame, mustard, coconut, sunflower seed, etc. Being from North India, the seeds like wheat and rice they are the main staple diet in North India. Cereals and pulses they are the most important sources of food for man. Cereals both for man and animals they are the most important sources of food we can say, as they are rich sources of carbohydrates, the energy giving food. Wheat, rice and maize are their example. Then pulses are a rich source of proteins which we take. Then come the vegetables. We eat the vegetables of different plants like brinjal, tomato, ladyfinger, snake gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd. These are the vegetables which are cooked in different way, in unique ways, and they are eaten in different parts of our country. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals. So other than food like these cereals and all these components of food, we have some beverages like tea and coffee that are also obtained from different plants. For example, tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plant, while when we talk about coffee, it is obtained from the seeds of cocoa. So they are also edible parts of their plants. Then come to the most important part, most important ingredient in the Indian household, that is the spices. They have no food value and are used for adding flavor to the food. The major spices are pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric. Other spices are cloves, saffron, fennel, cumin, coriander. They add flavor to our food.